Hello, welcome to my house. I've tidied up a bit, of course. So I'm going to do a video now because tomorrow the GTI, my MK7.5 GTI, so it's booked in to get these parts put on tomorrow, and I think the guys are happy enough for me to do some filming with them, so hopefully I'll get to film that going on. I've got 3 cats, 2 kittens, and I was gonna put them out, but I thought it'd be quite interesting to just let them run about while I was doing this, because as we know, cats do quite like boxes, so I thought, why not just let them run about. They are mad. I've got the back door open, so they'll probably be in and out, they might not be, but there's the first knocked item over. So anyway, babble. This is my Milltek exhaust, and that is my Pipercross air filter, and I'm missing one thing, so hang on a second. Okay. Aye. So, shipped out, that's my seat. So this also arrived today. Now this was meant to come last week, and it didn't arrive because there was a problem with the duty, because it's come from Germany. So we'll also be getting that out, and you can maybe try and have a guess at what might be in that. I won't give that one away, but it's come from Germany. Anyway, let's get these open and we can do it, and you can see it as we go. Now I've opened this. I have actually opened it because I got the exhaust tips out. So let's move this Pipercross out of the way first of all. Let's have him out of the way. So I've opened this because I wanted to see the exhaust tips, and they are in there. I know they're down in that corner, but I didn't, because I've got to transport it again. I didn't want to take it out because this is like the packaging that's in it. It's all perfectly fit around it. Now I know it would have been moulded with the box as the box is shut and travelled and everything. But I thought if I took it out, I'll never get it back in, and I do need to take it to get it fitted. But I'm going to bite the bullet and just go with it and just take it out so that we can have a look before it goes on the car. So I'll just get it out anyway because I did want to have a look at it. And why wouldn't you? So let's have a go at getting this out then. Now I have seen videos on the internet of people just unpacking stuff, which people like to watch and seem quite satisfied by. So there's the first bit. I'm going to try and remember when I'm taking stuff out here. So this is the Milltek Puma Speed exhaust, sports exhaust, Puma Speed sports exhaust. Right, that was hooked in the rain. That's Puma Speed sports exhaust. Cat back, resonated. And as I said in my other video, what we got there. So there's, is that underneath, is that on top? So that looks like the back pipes there. Okay, so that's on top of that. Okay, that's on top of that, fine. Okay. So yeah, resonated, because as I said in my video the other day, although I do like the noise the exhaust makes, I think I need to be more realistic in being a bit more refined. So there's a bit of it. So that was in like that, right, okay. So let's pop him up there. What else have we got? And then he was there. That's obviously one of the parts that is going to, I think, that'll be one of the first parts of the exhaust. And I hope you can see all this because I've lost my picture now, so I can't see if I do this. There we go. So there we go, yes, I can see. So I'm not going to take all that wrapping off. Will I? No, I'll leave all that on because it's got a transport, but you get the idea with that. You get the idea with that. That'll go in there. I'll put that back in there. That's obviously the back box. That's the other part there. I'll just bring that in again and show you. Oh. Okay. Nice, isn't it? Good welding and everything. And it's got all this good stuff. You can see that, hopefully you can. It's got the Milltek on there as well. So let's have him back there. And then what we've got here is the exhaust tips. Whoop. Okay. So there they are. So again, with a Milltek on, and it's got the slight angle on it as well. So I think that'll look great. And they are big, which did make me laugh. But there we go, so that's the tip, exhaust tips. The other one's just in the corner, they might not be able to see that, just tucked in. So yeah, so that's the exhaust. And then obviously more bits there as well. So I'll try and hopefully put all that back together again. So come back to me and we'll get the Pipercross So, there we go. It's back in its box. Just about. It's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. It'll be fine for transport, that's fine. It's only going to come out again tomorrow. So, I have got the second item, which is my Pipercross cold air intake. And now this was purchased through Motechperformance, and I'll put a link to them on the page. So it's the Pipercross performance air filters. There we go. I might get a little picture of what it'll look like in the car as well, but I'll try and take you an actual picture when it's in. So I have had this out, not all of it, I've had most of it out. First, so we get the heat shield with it as well. So that's the heat shield there. And this, keep forgetting when I stand up you can't see me. Not that you want to see me. So, okay, so from the video I watched to that, it's obviously wide, it's definitely wider, and they said it was wider, I know it's wider. And when it's hot, you can still touch it. So that will all replace cold air intake, and that should give a tiny, maybe some increase in power, along with, in combination with the new Milltek exhaust that's going on. So that's so, okay, so this is its head. On with its head. Right, okay, so the good Pipercross logo. Have that at some shop. It could be the Pipercross shop. One of them going around at the shop. Anyway, talking about rubbish. There you go, look at that bad boy. Right, so that is the Pipercross cold air intake. So that's that. Anyway, this is also something that's going to go on the car, and that has come today, and it has come from Germany. Like I said, I've not had it out yet. It's long. I think I'm going to need scissors. Hang on. Okay, so let's get this open and see what we've got. Oh, it's like a massive chocolate bar. It is like a massive chocolate bar. How do I get in? There we go. Yes, it is the rear diffuser that will replace the original. So I hope you can see that. Whoop. There we go. So it's got a bigger lip than the one that's on it now here. This lip's a bit bigger. That one there. Try and turn that around. Whoop. You have to see better. That lip, this one here, should stick out a bit longer. So, yeah, I'm very pleased with that. And what I like about this is these spines that run down here. I think it just gives it a bit more of a racy look, and it is the TCR style rear diffuser from Germany. Is Harry running through? Yeah, so Advanced Auto Care Telford, AAT Performance, let's go into tomorrow. Hopefully they'll do all of it as a job lot, but they might not, but it'll go back, they might not have time. But hopefully I'll be able to film it all going on so I can put some footage of that going on, and we'll see how that looks. So we'll see. So check back on the video and see what we get. And now Ruby seems to have enjoyed sitting on that box there, so we'll just let her sit on that. Because it's the thing behind her that's been sat there while I've been doing this, which I just thought I'd show you as well. Because if I don't, there'll be two kittens scratching the life out of it. Right, they can sit on there for now. So, this is the other thing that I wanted to show you, which has been invested in while I've been waiting for other parts to come, and I have used them on the R, some of the products, but I bought the VW magazine, and there was an Autofinesse magazine in there with it for their car care products, and some might say I've gone a bit mental, probably did go a bit crazy with the products, but this bag, which I hope you can grasp an idea of the size of, is full of them. So, I'm just going to get them all out. Small, medium and large. And these are for interior jobs. They work quite well. Some of these bottles need one of them, so I'll send you one of them with it as well. So thanks for all that stuff, Autofinesse, and I shall continue to buy from you in the future and when I need to top things up, and for just my products now. I have become quite a lazy shopper, but I think most people can be quite lazy shoppers and still get good deals and still get good products by not actually leaving their houses. Change days, eh? So, you know what? I'll put all this stuff away first. That's it. Right. So I might be able to download all of this stuff a little bit quicker than my iPad was doing it. Like, subscribe, comment if you want. If you don't want to, that's okay. If you've got this far again, well done. Milltek exhaust, cold air intake, rear diffuser, Autofinesse, all for the GTI Mark 7.5 and for all of your entertainment. The cats. Check you later. Ta-da.